2 negative 6. In a bracket we have a 2 negative 8. So 2 negative 6, this is equal to negative 4. Now look at this part. We have a 2 negative 8. This is equal to negative 6. Now multiply this negative 4 by negative 6. Then we get positive 24. But this is not our answer. Now look at the correct solution. We have a 2 negative 6. In a bracket we have a 2 negative 8. To solve this question, we recall the PEMDAS rule. So P stand for parenthesis, E is a exponent, M is a multiplication, D is a division, A is addition, and S is a subtraction. So according to this rule, we solve a parenthesis first. So we have a 2 negative 6. Look at this parenthesis part. We have a 2 negative 8. And 2 negative 8, this is equal to negative 6. So we have a 2 negative 6 multiply negative 6. Now according to this rule, we multiply first. And so we have a negative 6 multiply negative 6. Then we get positive 36. So 2 plus 36, this is equal to 38. And this is our final answer.